Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Knoxville, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to zoom in on one specific part of your deck, the stairs. Stairs are something you use without thinking, until they feel odd or unsafe. Maybe one step feels taller than the rest. Maybe the whole flight shakes when people walk down. Or maybe you avoid using them at night because you can't see where you're going. These are all signs your stairs deserve some attention. Let's start with structure. Under every set of stairs are pieces called stringers, which support the treads you step on. If these are undersized, cracked, or spaced too far apart, the stairs can feel springy or unstable. Over time, moisture and weather can weaken wood stringers, especially where they touch the ground or connect to the deck. Making sure these supports are solid is the first step toward safer stairs. Next, think about step size and consistency. Good stairs have treads that are deep enough for your whole foot and risers that are the same height from step to step. When one riser is taller or shorter than the others, it throws off your balance and makes a trip more likely. Sometimes a simple rebuild of the stair layout can fix this and make everyday use feel smoother and more natural. Handrails matter too. A sturdy handrail gives people something to grab, especially kids, guests, and older family members. It should be at a comfortable height and well anchored, not wobbly or loose. If your existing rail feels weak or is missing altogether, adding a proper one is a straightforward way to improve safety. Traction is another key point. Smooth or worn treads can become slippery when wet or icy. Using materials with better grip, adding non-slip strips or upgrading the tread boards can reduce the risk of slipping. It's a small change that pays off every rainy day. Lighting often gets overlooked. If your stairs disappear in the dark, people are more likely to miss a step. Simple step lights, post lights, or carefully placed fixtures can make each tread visible without being harsh or distracting. Here at Tuff Deck Builders Knoxville, we pay close attention to stair design on every deck we build or rebuild. Safe, solid stairs make it easier to enjoy the rest of your outdoor space without worrying about falls or shaky steps. If your stairs don't feel right, you can reach us at 865-359-0250 or visit tuffdeckbuildersknoxville.com to talk about options. Thanks for joining us on Deck Builders Knoxville. Remember, strong stairs are a key part of a safe, comfortable deck, and they're worth getting right.